Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot use your face recognition scanner to unlock your Honor 600 Pro. In such case, let's try to set up a new facial model for our device. To do that, go to Settings, open Biometrics and Passwords, go to Face Recognition, enter your current password, then delete previously added facial data. Tap delete and then grab a piece of a microfiber cloth or use a t-shirt, cotton t-shirt or a paper towel to carefully wipe the surface of your device's front camera. Make sure that you leave no stains or marks on it. Then let's set up a new face model. Tap Get Started. Make sure to face directly to put your face directly against your device's camera, and also make sure that no light is entering your frontal camera from behind you. And look directly at your device's camera and your face will be registered in seconds. Tap Later. Now let's get back to settings and make sure the device is updated. Scroll down to System and Updates, Software Updates. Check for available updates, and if you do find any, then install them and let your smartphone restart. Otherwise, simply restart your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Select Restart and wait until your device is rebooted. After the restart, let's check out our face recognition scanner once again. First of all, we're gonna have to use the password to unlock our device, and now we can try to use the face recognition scanner. Just look directly at your device's camera, and as you can see, everything works just fine, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.